Very good morning, students. Today we will see some numericals based on capacitors. So before coming to the question, one thing you have to remember that when the capacitors are connected in series, the charge on each capacitor will be same. As you have learned in class 10th also, that when the resistors are connected in series, the current through each resistor is same. Same way in case of capacitors, when they are connected in series, the charge on each capacitor will be same while the voltage would be different, and when they are connected in parallel the charge would be different while the voltage would be same. So based on this there is one numerical. You can see the numerical is two capacitors of capacitance of 6 microfarad and 12 microfarad are connected in series with a battery, and the voltage across the 6-volt battery is 2 volt. So you have to compute the total battery voltage. So while solving these questions, so it is given that they are connected in series, so charge on each capacitor will be same. So you can write the charge on 6 microfarad capacitor will be equal to the charge on 12 microfarad capacitor, as they are connected in series. And we have already learned this formula of charge in case of capacitor is given by Q equals to CV. So using this formula for charge, and here for the 6 microfarad capacitors, the value of C will be 6, and the voltage for this 6 microfarad is given to be 2 volt. So keeping this value in this formula C into V, C is 6 microfarad and voltage is 2 volt. Same way the charge on 12 microfarad capacitor will be given by charge for the formula is C into V. So C, that is capacitor, is 12 microfarad, and voltage we have to find out. We will find the voltage across. Since the voltage is going to be different, so let it be V. We are denoting it by letter V, suppose. And this V is actually for the volt. This is the unit of volt here. We are finding this volt. Let it be, just for simplicity I am writing it V1. We are finding the value of V1. So on solving we are finding V1. V1 will come out to be 6 into 2 divided by 12, which is coming out to be, here no need of converting this microfarad into farad, because you can see that both are getting cancelled as they are coming in the numerator and denominator. So both the units will get cancelled, so no need of converting into standard unit, that is farad. So on solving this, what you will get, this is also 6 to the 12 upon 12, which is equal to 1 volt. So we can say that the voltage across 12 microfarad capacitor is equal to 1 volt. But we have to find the total battery voltage. So what will be the total battery voltage here? Total battery voltage will be nothing but it will be the sum of both the voltages, that is 2 volt, and just now we have calculated 1 volt. So 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3 volt. The total battery voltage would be 3 volt. So our answer would be this one, that is 3 volt. So this is how you will solve such numericals, by keeping certain things in mind, that when the capacitors are connected in series, the charge would be same, while when it is connected in parallel, the voltage would be same. So the next question is again based on capacitors. We have to find, the question is calculate the charge supplied by the battery in the arrangement shown in figure. So this is the figure, and we have to find the charge supplied by this battery, and the voltage of the battery is 10 volt. And the same arrangement, this arrangement can also be drawn this way. If you can also draw the equivalent arrangement. So from this figure it is clear that these two capacitors are in parallel, and when they are in parallel we just simply add to find the total capacitor. So 5 plus 6 will give us 11. This is the total capacitance of this capacitor. But we have to find the charge supplied by the battery in this case. and we know the formula for charge is Q equals to C into V, which can be further written as, since capacitance we have just calculated as 11 and the voltage of the battery is 10 volt, so 11 tens are 110 volt. So this is not the voltage, this is the value of charge. But here we have to see that we have to taken the value of capacitance as microfarad. So microfarad into voltage, this will give us microcoulomb. And so the charge on this capacitor is 110 microcoulomb. Alright, so this would be the answer for this given question.